Need a little more privacy on WhatsApp? In this guide, I'll show you how to hide your active status and online activity with a few quick settings that anyone can follow. Turning off your active status on WhatsApp is a great way to keep your online activity private. Whether you don't want others to know when you're using the app or simply prefer more privacy, WhatsApp makes it easy to control who can see your online status. The setting works on both Android and iPhone, although the navigation is slightly different depending on your device. To begin, open the WhatsApp app on your phone. If you're using an Android device, tap the three vertical dots in the top right corner of the screen and select Settings. On an iPhone, simply tap the settings icon located in the bottom right corner. Once you're in the settings menu, tap Privacy. This section contains all of WhatsApp's privacy controls, including who can see your profile photo, status updates, read receipts, and your last seen information. Next, tap Last Seen and Online. Here you'll find two important options. Under Who can see my last seen, choose Nobody. This prevents anyone from seeing the last time you were active on WhatsApp. Then, under Who can see when I'm online, select Same as Last Seen. Since you've already chosen Nobody for your last seen, this setting will also hide your online status whenever you're using WhatsApp. Keep in mind that this is a two-way privacy feature. After disabling your last seen and online status, you won't be able to see other people's last seen or online status either. This helps keep the privacy settings fair for everyone. If you ever change your mind, you can return to the same menu and choose different visibility options, such as Everyone, My Contacts, or My Contacts Except, depending on your privacy preferences. That's it. Your active status is now hidden on WhatsApp. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like, subscribe, and see you next time.